Hello, my name is Paulette Rogers, and I live in Apex, North Carolina. I am the CEO of Nations Financial Services, and I graduated from Dominque's Brown 30-day credit repair agency program. Prior to starting the program, I did real estate, individual and business tax returns, as well as some credit counseling, credit repair. Since taking the program, I basically do the same thing, but now I have some additional knowledge and understanding of credit counseling, credit repair, and how to help my clients increase their credit score. What surprised me most about this class is the amount of detail that was given in the class. I mean, the class was very detailed. It gave you every aspect of everything that you would need to start a company, from business structure to getting your tax ID number, to a template for your website, opening business accounts, getting your bond, what bond is required in your state. It was a very, very detailed class. I had previously attended the credit repair class that was offered, and then once this class opened up in reference to starting an agency, I knew I had to be a part of it. If you're on the fence about whether you should or should not go forward with the class, I say that if you're serious about helping others with their credit, this is the program. You're going to get your money's worth and some. The class is very detailed. It covers everything that you would need to know to be successful in the business. If I had to give you one tip or one word of advice, it would be to stay up to date on your weekly modules, so that when you have your live time to talk with Dominque, you can ask the appropriate questions. I got started in the program late. I've not finished all of my modules yet, so I didn't get an opportunity to ask the questions that I probably would have asked had I completed all of the modules in a timely manner. That would be the one word of advice that I would give you if you go forward with the class. But if you decide to go forward with the class, you will be well pleased. You will get your money's worth and some. The class is dynamic. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.